This is the MultiNav Pro Plus, the BLE module that reaches 50 kilometers. Standard unlicensed Bluetooth, no towers, no internet, no license required. Hello everyone, let's check the BLE module. It's FCC certified open source firmware built on STM32WB7 with -104 dBm receiver sensitivity with professional front-end RF design and powerful antenna gain. That is why it reaches further than anything else at this price. One antenna, one connection, and your wireless range just became 50 kilometers. This is the MultiNav Pro Plus sensors module. 7 sensors, 1 board, motion, environment, everything your project needs to feel the world around it, accelerometer, gyroscope, magnetometer, temperature, humidity, pressure, air quality, all on a board smaller than your thumb, no wiring, 7 separate breakout boards, no compatibility headaches, 1 module, everything. This is the MultiNav Pro Plus GNSS module. Precision positioning in your hand, no software assist. No correction service, pure hardware accuracy, 1.5 meter accuracy, 18 Hz update rate, GPS, Galileo, GLONASS and Beidou, all 4 constellations simultaneously, the most accurate GNSS module at this price point anywhere. This is the power program kit, everything you need to run a complete long-range BLE system. 2 supercapacitor batteries, 2 BLE modules need power. This kit covers both, no lithium, no degradation, no memory effect. Each unit powers 1 BLE module for a full day. 2 kits, 1 for each end of your link, both running simultaneously. 0 downtime, assemble both, connect your BLE modules. Your 50-kilometer link is now fully self-powered in the field. Need to update firmware on either module. The integrated ST-Link programmer handles both. 1 cable, done. And when both kits need charging, 5 minutes each. Your entire long-range system is back in the field before anything else is ready. ST-Link connected, BLE module ready to program. Open RFOXiA Club. Resources BLE module. Latest firmware release, 1 click to download. Open STM32Cube programmer. Drag, drop, connect, download. Firmware flashing now. Done. Your BLE module is running the latest firmware. Took seconds. Connect the charger, watch the LEDs. Good input power means 12 volts confirmed. Charging LED means supercapacitor is absorbing full power right now. From flat to full, under 5 minutes. Once charged, the LED turns off. Two modules, 2 power kits, your long-range link, self-powered. Mount the GNSS module, now it knows exactly where it is. And the sensors module, now it feels everything around it. This is MultiNav Pro Plus, complete and self-powered for a full day. 2 MultiNav Pro Plus systems, each BLE module powered by its own power kit. 1 carries GNSS and sensors, 1 is standalone wireless. This is RFOXiA Connect. Scan for nearby BLE modules. 2 modules discovered instantly. MAC addresses and live signal strength, both visible in real time, no pairing code, no configuration, they are just there. Connecting to the module ending in D8, the one carrying GNSS and sensors. Control screen, live sensor data streaming directly from the hardware, temperature, humidity, air pressure, air quality, all updating in real time. GNSS shows no fix, we are indoors, outdoors it locks within seconds, back to home. Disconnect, now connect to the second module ending in F3. This one has no sensors attached, control screen for F3, no sensor data, because there are no sensors connected to this module, exactly as expected. Back to home. Now watch this. Press scan for far BLE modules. This activates something different. The F3 module paired to your phone becomes a relay. Scanning for other BLE modules beyond your phone's range. D8 appears, the module that is out of your phone's range, but not out of the other module's range. Press connect. The 2 BLE modules pair with each other wirelessly. Control screen. All sensor data, back, temperature, humidity, pressure, air quality, all streaming live. But this data is not coming from the module in your hand, it is coming from the far module relayed through the first one to your phone. Outdoor test, app open, connected to F3, our relay module. Scanning for far modules, D8 found, connecting through F3. Control screen, watch, GPS log, live location, exact position, streaming now, temperature, humidity, pressure, all live, outdoors, no internet.